Good day, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on Friday, the 1st of November, 2024. For the general situation, an area of high pressure continues to dominate the western Atlantic, maintaining a tight pressure gradient across the Turks and Caicos Islands, causing breezy to windy conditions and rough seas. Special warnings and notes. A gale watch is currently in effect for all areas. Strong to gale-force winds and hazardous marine conditions expected through the weekend. The public is also reminded that daylight saving time ends this Sunday, November 3rd. Remember to set your clocks back 1 hour at 2 a.m. local time on Sunday. Now for today's weather forecast for all areas. Partly cloudy with chance of showers this afternoon. Chance of rain is 40%. Partly to mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely tonight. Chance of rain is 60%. A small craft advisory and a high surf advisory are in effect. Winds will be easterly at 10 to 20 knots and seas 7 to 12 feet in northeasterly to easterly swells. The daytime high temperature is expected to rise to 87 degrees Fahrenheit with an overnight low temperature of 73 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 6:12 p.m. The next low tide will be at 3:32 p.m. and the next high tide at 9:20 p.m. Now for the extended forecast. The tight pressure gradient associated with the high pressure will maintain breezy to windy conditions and rough to very rough seas through the weekend. Peak seas of 13 to 15 feet are expected north and east of the Turks and Caicos Islands through Sunday, subsiding slightly early next week. Troughing near Puerto Rico will generate moisture and shower and thunderstorm activity across the TCI through early next week. Forecast for Saturday. Showers and thunderstorms likely in the morning, then periods of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Partly cloudy to cloudy with a high near 86. Chance of rain is 80%. Scattered showers and thunderstorms likely at night. Partly cloudy to cloudy with a low around 72. Chance of rain is 70%. New total rainfall amount between a half of an inch to an inch. A small craft advisory will remain in effect. A high surf warning will come into effect. Winds will be northeasterly at 20 to 25 knots. Seas will 8 to 13 feet in northeasterly to easterly swells, increasing to 10 to 15 feet at night. Forecast for Sunday. Showers and thunderstorms likely in the morning and afternoon. Partly cloudy to cloudy with a high near 86. Chance of rain is 60%. Scattered showers and thunderstorms likely at night. Partly cloudy to cloudy with a low around 72. Chance of rain is 60%. New total rainfall amount between a half of an inch to an inch. A small craft advisory will remain in effect. High surf warning will remain in effect until Sunday afternoon. Winds will be northeast to east at 15 to 25 knots, shifting east to southeast at 10 to 15 knots in the evening. Seas will be 8 to 12 feet in northeasterly swells, subsiding to 7 to 10 feet in the afternoon. Now for the tropical weather outlook. There are 3 areas of disturbances that's being monitored at this moment. Firstly, a broad area of low pressure is likely to develop over the southwestern Caribbean Sea during the next day or so. A tropical depression is likely to form late this weekend or early next week, while the system drifts generally northward or northwestward over the central or western Caribbean Sea. This system has a low chance of formation over the next 48 hours and a high chance of formation over the next 7 days. A trough of low pressure located near Puerto Rico is producing a large area of showers and thunderstorms over portions of the Greater Antilles and the adjacent waters of the Atlantic and the northeastern Caribbean. This system has a low chance of formation over the next 48 hours and also over the next 7 days. And then in the North Atlantic, a storm force non-tropical low pressure area located about 400 miles west of the Western Azores is producing limited shower activity. Some subtropical development is possible while the low moves generally eastward during the next few days. This system has a low chance of formation over the next 7 days. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Friday, the 1st of November by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Monday. Have a pleasant weekend.